Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you the exact steps to link Payoneer to Etsy safely. Let's get started. Step 1. Start the enrollment. First, log in to your Etsy Shop Manager. Go to Finances/Payment Settings. Look for the Etsy Payments section and click the Enroll Now button. Pro tip: if nothing happens when you click Enroll, check your browser for a pop-up blocker. Etsy needs to open a new window to talk to Payoneer. Once the window opens, you'll be prompted to either sign in to an existing Payoneer account or create a new one. If you have an account, simply sign in and click Agree to link it to Etsy. If you're new, follow the prompts to sign up. You'll need to provide your personal details and local bank information. Make sure the name on your Payoneer account matches your Etsy shop owner name exactly to avoid verification delays. Step 3. Complete the identity check. As of 2026, both Etsy and Payoneer require a KYC or Know Your Customer check. You'll be asked to upload a high-quality photo of your government ID and a live selfie. Ensure your ID is well lit and all text is readable. Payoneer usually takes 1 to 3 business days to approve this, but you can often finish the rest of your Etsy setup while you wait. Step 4. Verify your tax info. Depending on your country, Etsy may ask for additional tax details during this link-up. For example, sellers in India must add a valid GSTIN, while others may need to provide a PAN or National Tax ID. Enter these in the Legal and Tax Information section of your payment settings to ensure your deposits aren't blocked later. Step 5. Confirm your payout schedule. Once linked, your Etsy funds will automatically be sent to your Payoneer account every Monday as long as you have a balance. From Payoneer, you can then withdraw the money to your local bank account in your own currency. Check your payment settings one last time to ensure it says Enrolled next to Etsy Payments. And just like that, your shop is open for business and ready to get paid. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.